Welcome back to my channel. I packed up a purse, not a diaper bag, a purse for the first time in literally years. I'm not sure how I feel about it. I do really like the way this bag packed up, but honestly, once you get used to having pockets and a place for everything like diaper bags have, it's really hard to go back to like a black hole situation. So the way I have it packed up is great. However, I think I'm still team diaper bag. There are so many brands in the market today that are making high quality diaper bags, but they can totally be used as purses, as work bags. You know, these brands are just killing it with these really high quality products that take you from baby hairs to beyond without cramping your style. Funny that I say that as I'm in day 2 of the same clothes, but you know, mom life. So anyway, I want to show you my bag. This is the Fossil Tallula, I believe is how you say it, bag. It's still in their clearance section on their website. It is super affordable and it is leather because it's Fossil. So let me change the camera angle and show you how I have it all packed. Alright, so here she is. This is the Fossil purse that I have been carrying. It is really nice quality leather. It does not feel chintzy or cheap at all. I love that you get this really nice turn lock detailing here, which gives it that vintagey vibe. In this pocket, it's just one big slip pocket. All I'm keeping are 2 things. This is my clip-a-clip, so I can use this when at restaurants or out and about to hang my bag, so I do not have to set it on the floor. And then the last thing I'm keeping in there are my AirPods, which I now can no longer take a phone call without because I have children. You do get 2 straps. You get this nice Hobo strap, and then you do get a crossbody strap as well, which is really nice when you have kids. Multiple ways of carrying a bag is key. And then on the back of the bag, you do get 1 slip pocket. This is where I've been keeping my phone, but my phone's not in there right now. But I have an iPhone 13 Pro, and it fits in there no problem. If you do have one of the bigger iPhones, I think it'll still fit. It just might stick out the top a little bit. You do get 1 zipper, and it's nice and buttery. And then I'll give you a peek to the main compartment of the bag. So it's the typical purse organization. You get 2 slip pockets on the front wall, 1 zipper pocket on the back wall. So I have organized this mainly with pouches. But before I do the pouches, let me show you what's in the pockets. In this back pocket, I'm just keeping 2 things. I have a perfectly packed business card holder with business cards and a spare battery. I really like this one for my purse because it's nice and thin and lightweight, and it also has the cards in, or the cables in it, so that you don't have to carry an extra cable. And then I also was keeping a little popper toy back there for my son, but he used it, so it's not in there currently. Then on the front wall of the bag, you get those 2 standard slip pockets that comes in almost every bag. In this one, I am keeping my wallet. This is one of my favorite wallets from Andar. I'll link it down below. It holds all my cash, all my cards, my IDs in the front there, and it's super slim and minimal, so it's very easy to switch between my purse, my diaper bag, my fanny pack, whatever bag of the day I'm using. It's just easy to grab that out of this one and drop it in the next one. Next to that, I'm just keeping some essentials. I have a little mini hand sanitizer. I have a little thing of Advil. And then I have a pen and a Tide to Go pen. Then that's it for pockets. So now we're just in the center of the bag, tucked off to the side here. I am keeping this little selfie stick. This is super helpful for taking pictures and videos on the go, and it folds up into literally nothing and then just slides right in. Next to that, I have a pouch from Mina Bay. This comes in a 2 pouch set. These are leather, and this one is the smaller of the 2. And in here, I am just keeping a few snacks. I have an RX bar for myself and a little squeezer in case I have a kiddo with me, and I have a granola bar in the bottom there, so that way if I do happen to have a kid with me and he or she is hungry, I can prevent the hangries, which we all want. Then at the bottom, my keys are just sitting down there. I usually try not to just throw them in the bag, but mom life, am I right? Then next to that, I am keeping my glasses, and then behind that, I have the larger pouch of the 2-piece set for Mina Bay, and this has a whole bunch of goodies in it. So right on top, I just have a little double-ended makeup brush. This is from It Cosmetics, and it works really well with my makeup, which is this makeup from Saints. So all of my makeup is in one compact. They have different compact sizes. This one is smaller, obviously, but it still has everything you need to do a face of makeup while out and about, because sometimes you get invited out to lunch and you want to be able to go without looking haggard. I have 2 different lip glosses. These are the Balm lip glosses from L'Oreal. Oh my goodness, it's like a chapstick but better. It's magic. So highly, highly, highly recommend those. And then I have a little perfume. This little mini perfume is from Saint. It smells lovely, and I love that I can throw it in there and freshen up whenever I feel the need to. Next to that, I have a folding hairbrush. And finally, a little nail clipper, because these just always come in handy. Then there is a zipper in the back of the bag, and back here I'm just keeping some feminine products, a little deodorant, and some hair ties. Then the last thing in the bag is a journal. I always like to have a journal with me for shopping lists, content ideas, playing tic-tac-toe with the kids, or hangman, you name it. Always a good idea to have this. And that's it. That's everything that I was carrying. Thank you so much for watching. Again, this is the Fossil Tallula Hobo bag. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. If not, I will see you in my next video. Bye!